In track scans, the tracker and scanner work together, with the tracker monitoring the scanner's position and angle in real time as it captures point cloud data. This mode is ideal for quickly scanning small to medium objects. After Trackit is successfully set up and connected, click New Project on the software's homepage to enter the scanning interface. For detailed setup and connection steps, see the Trackit setup and connection tutorial. Select Track Scan in the upper left corner, then set the scan settings by choosing the scanning mode first. The cross-line scanning mode is suitable for general laser line scans, providing more points at high speed. The single-line scanning mode is suitable for detailed scanning of narrow areas, such as deep holes and grooves. In this tutorial, because of this object's geometry, we'll use cross-line scanning mode. Next, select a suitable object type based on the object features. Then, adjust the target point distance as needed. For a medium-sized object with fine details, we recommend setting the point distance to about 0.4 millimeters. Adjust the depth camera's exposure and laser brightness manually or automatically to ensure laser lines in the preview window are clearly visible. After setting the scan settings, adjust the distance between the tracker, scanner, and object. Maintain a minimum distance of 1.5 m between tracker and scanner. Use the distance indicator in the lower right corner to adjust accordingly. Having the tracker and scanner too close or far apart can reduce tracking quality. Monitor tracking quality in the lower right corner when adjusting distance. After repositioning the tracker, tape the scanner's cable to the floor near the tracker's tripod to prevent movement that could impact accuracy. Adjust the distance between the scanner and the object while watching the distance indicator bar on the right side of the software, and keep it within Excellent or Good. Next, click Start. Throughout the scanning process, ensure the tracker and the object aren't moved. Don't block the tracker's cameras throughout the scanning process. Ensure that the markers on the scanner and the object are clearly visible to the tracker. Move the scanner at a steady speed during the scan, using the tracker's tracking FOV in the lower left corner to guide movement. Avoid moving outside the FOV to prevent tracking loss. If you need to check the point cloud data or move to the other side of the object, you can click the pause button at any time to perform the necessary actions, then click Start to continue scanning. During the scan, if the scanner is too close or far from the object, the software will lag and show not enough point clouds captured. Use the distance indicator bar on the right to adjust the scanner's position. Once the model in the central preview window turns fully green, click Complete to finish the scan. As we can see, the object's external surface data has now been captured. Now we'll flip the model and do a second scan to capture its internal surfaces. Click New on the software interface. Set the same scanning settings as before. And use the scanner to capture the internal surfaces and some external areas. You need to capture some external surface data to provide overlapping regions for later model merging. Once the model turns fully green, click Complete to enter the post-processing interface. First, perform point cloud fusion on each model separately. Removing isolated and overlapping points. Use the toolbar tools to delete unnecessary data, such as tabletops. Next, click on Merge, and select the two processed models. We'll use feature alignment here because this is a feature-rich model. Click the Generate Model button. The software will automatically align and merge the two models into a complete one. Then, return to the post-processing interface for manual point cloud editing, meshing, and other operations.